To send winning ASINs to a shortlist, you'll first have to start off at the price list section. Here you can choose your winners and send them there. Let's go ahead and apply some filters, choose some winners and send them to a shortlist. Let's apply these filters and see what we come up with. We now have 117 products that we can send to the shortlist. Let's go ahead and select them all. You can select them by clicking on their checkboxes one by one, or you can simply click on the checkbox at the top to select them all. Next, you need to create a shortlist. Let's click on Add to Shortlist. We need to give the shortlist a name. By clicking on the plus button, we create a shortlist. Next, you need to send them to the shortlist by clicking on the plus button just below that. Now, these 117 ASINs have been sent to the shortlist. Let's go visit them at the shortlist section. Let's enter the shortlist. There are multiple things you can do in the shortlist section. You can further inspect them if you want. You can add quantities you wish to buy of each one, and you can see which ones you're eligible to sell against your Amazon account. Let's go ahead and sort the ones that we're eligible to sell. Notice that these first ones are restricted and the ones below that need for you to request approval. Let's sort again. Now we have all the ASINs that were approved to sell up top, and we can view them very nice and easily. If you want to filter out all the ones that you cannot sell, you can just click on Filter, start typing restrictions, say equals, and only choose the ones you can sell. From this list of 117, there are 42 that we can sell. Next, you can start choosing how many units of each ASIN you wish to purchase. Let's go ahead and add some numbers to this. Notice that once we add the number, the order starts to form at the top. We've chosen 30 ASIN units. The goods are going to cost $92.70, and you can see also your projected profit, revenue, and other information. Let's go and continue to form this order. As we continue adding quantities in, the order starts to form at the top and you can see all the numbers. When you're happy with the order, you can go ahead and download this as a purchase order, or you can go ahead and download all the shortlist data for you to further review.